Hi everybody, welcome back. It's been a little bit, 2 weeks maybe a little bit more than that. So sorry for the lack of videos. Been very busy with work. It's been taking up a lot of extra time, now being on day shift. And yeah, it's just been a little bit more work to do than night shift. And that's also limited my abilities to watch everybody's videos in a timely manner. So I am really far behind on watching people's videos, but I will get caught up eventually. I'm not ignoring you. I just haven't been able to get there. A little bit of a Workbench update. So what I want to do first is to do quick shout outs. Got a couple of cards in the mail. So the first one, Papa Dan. This is Caleb's Corners card. He also sent me the Papa Dan's Model 2, as real as you can imagine. That's a cool looking car. And then I also got, little token. Thank you, Dan. I do appreciate it. And I will put links to his channel down in the description. In case you're not following him, you should be. And also, Scale Speedworks Model Car Garage. This is from Mike. Thank you, Mike, for the kind words on the back. I do appreciate that. Keep up the great work. If you're not subscribed to Mike over at Scale Speedworks, go do so. He does excellent work, does excellent comparisons between kits as well, shows you some of the differences and the ways some of them go together, things like that. So go subscribe to Mike. I think he's only got like 250-ish subs, so go help him out if you're not already subbed to him. All right, took care of the mail call. Do a quick update on the fryer. So he is getting there. I've gotten the base colors down for his I'm gonna call it a yarmulke, but that's not it. For his covering, and then the base colors down for his cloak. Still have to work on this. I still have to finish up the eyes. I have not done those yet, but there's the flesh. Flesh is done. The hair is done. Teeth and mouth are done. There's that. And then also, let me take this out of here. Worked on the hand and the beer stein. Did the fingernails, even though they'll be hidden because they'll be up against his body, so you won't see them. But there's the beer stein. I have an idea to do I'm going to make some beer suds coming out, flowing over the top of this. So I have an idea for that. But there you go. There's the skin for that, for the hand. I think it's coming together pretty well. Been using a little mix of acrylics and oils for this. It's just been a slow process. Like I said, I've been busy, so I haven't gotten around to doing a whole lot. Another quick look at that. Okay, now I also got, for my birthday, a friend of mine, a really good friend of mine, James, he sent me this. So I'm looking forward to building this eventually. This is Mercedes-Benz 540K in 1/24th scale from Italieri. I can't speak. But this looks like this should be a fun kit. There are no other real details on the side of the kit here. A couple of other ones that you can pick up. This Fleetwood looks really cool. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to doing this one. This one will be fun. If anybody's had any experience with this, let me know. If you know anything about the kit, I'd like to hear what you have to say about that. And then also because I keep hearing everybody is showing these Johan kits, I found one. So it's still sealed. It's the Chrysler Corporation turbine car. It includes the auto detailed gas turbine, the clean burning ecology engine. So we'll see how that goes together. And apparently the doors open, white walls, steerable wheels, folding down front seats, and opening hood, detailed underbody, trunk opens, detailed interior. So we're gonna have to give one of these a try. I've seen enough of you guys out there with these kits, so I'm like, well, I'm gonna give it a shot. I actually picked this up off of eBay. It wasn't that expensive. I was kind of surprised, considering that it was still sealed. I don't see, there's no date on this, I don't think. Yeah, there's no date on the box, so I'm not sure what year this was actually made. But it's 1/25th scale, so there's that. So that's really all I have at the moment. Like I said, been busy, haven't had a chance to do a whole lot. Yeah, that's kind of where we're at the moment. I hope everybody is doing well. I hope you're all getting through all these crazy times okay. And I hope everybody has a wonderful week that's upcoming and everything goes your way. Oh, and I would like to thank all my new subscribers. I have picked up several over the last couple of weeks. I do appreciate that. Thank you very much for subscribing. And to all my long-term subscribers, as always, I appreciate you all. You're the people who keep me going, keep me motivated and everything else. So I do appreciate everything you guys do, and the camaraderie in this community is wonderful. So that's all I've got. Everybody have a wonderful week, and I hope everybody is doing well. And I will talk to you all real soon, and I promise get a little bit more content up a little bit faster than what it's been. And I will catch up with everybody's videos eventually. I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.